Yes, now the students, in the quadrilateral, in the types of quadrilateral, the next one, rhombus. So about rectangle, we discuss about rectangle, then after that rhombus. So here see in the rhombus, so this is a rhombus. So what is actually rhombus? Here, so a rhombus is four-sided shape, so where all sides have equal. Okay, here all quadrilaterals having four sides, so this rhombus is having four sides. So rhombus is also a quadrilateral, so no doubt, so quadrilaterals should have four sides. Okay, now how the four sides are? Here four sides are equal in rhombus. So this is the first side, this is second side, this is third side, this is fourth side. All four sides are equal in rhombus. All four sides are equal in rhombus. So this is the first point, and the second point, opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. Here, so this side and this side, opposite sides are parallel, and this side and this side are opposite sides, these are parallel, and opposite angles are equal. Angle A and angle A, these are equal angles, and angle B are opposite angles. Opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. So here, so 2 points we should remember. In a rhombus, all four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel and equal. So opposite angles are equal in rhombus. Okay. Now after that, so the third point, diagonals intersect perpendicularly. So this is the first diagonal, this is the second diagonal. So two diagonals intersect perpendicularly. Okay, how they intersect? They intersect perpendicularly. The diagonals intersect perpendicularly. Okay, the next one, sometimes rhombus is also called diamond. Sometimes rhombus is also called diamond. Here the three properties. First, rhombus is having four sides and all four sides are equal. The second point, opposite sides of rhombus are parallel and equal and opposite angles are equal. So the third point, diagonals of rhombus bisects perpendicularly. Perpendicular means angle between the diagonals always 90 degrees, always 90 degrees. Now sometimes the rhombus is also called diamond. Okay, this is about the properties of rhombus. Then after that, next quadrilateral, that is a square. So what is a square? So square means right angle. Square means all the angles are equal to 90 degrees in square. So this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, all the angles are 90 degrees. So here also in the square, so we have four equal sides and four equal angles. So in rhombus and square, four sides are equal in both. In rhombus also four sides equal, in square also four sides equal. But in square, all the angles are 90 degrees. 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So but here the angles, opposite angles are equal. In rhombus, opposite angles are equal, but in square, all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. This is the major difference between rhombus and square. Then after that, also opposite sides are parallel. So this and this, these two sides are opposite sides, they are parallel, and this side and this side, opposite sides, they are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel and also equal. Now square also fit the definition of a rectangle. So all angles are 90 degrees, so and a rhombus, all sides are equal. Here the definition, two definition it fits. One is a rectangle definition. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So that here in square also it fits. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay. And rhombus definition. In rhombus definition, all four sides are equal. That definition also it fits. Okay. Now, so this is about the rhombus. Now, after that the next quadrilateral, so that is the parallelogram. Parallelogram. So what is parallelogram? So here, so in a parallelogram, so opposite sides are parallel and equal, opposite angles are equal. Here opposite sides, so this is and these two are opposite sides, they are parallel and also equal. And so this and this, these two are parallel sides and opposite sides, So opposite sides are parallel and equal in parallelogram. So now opposite angles are also equal. So angle A and angle A, these two are opposite angles, they are equal. B and B, these two are opposite angles, they are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal and opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now here parallelogram, so in example parallelogram with all sides are equal, so rectangle, square, rhombus, all these three quadrilaterals satisfies parallelogram properties. Parallelogram property. What is the parallelogram property? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. It is there in rhombus, so it is there in square as well as in rectangle also, and opposite angles are equal. So the three satisfies. It means square is also a parallelogram, rectangle is also a parallelogram, and rhombus is also a parallelogram. Okay. So these are the properties of quadrilaterals. Okay, students. So now see here, students, in activity first, state whether the following are line, ray or line segment. Here, so different shapes means geometrical shapes were given. So we should decide either it is a ray or line segment or line. According to the definition, so we should decide, so which one is a ray, which one is a line segment and which one is a line. See here, the first, here we have two arrows, it means it extends infinitely both the directions. It means, so it is a line, it is a line. So here, so in the second picture, so only one arrow is there, so one end point is there. So initial point is there and one arrow is there, it means it extends in one direction. So that is ray, it is a ray. Ray is having one end point and it extends infinitely in one direction. Now here, so in this we have two end points. So if a line is having a two end points, that is a line segment. This is line segment. Line segment. Now here in the fourth also we have two end points. So this is also a line segment. Line segment. So now here we have two arrows on both the directions. So it is a ray. It is a not a ray. So it is a line. It is a line. So line is having, line extends so infinitely in both the directions. So we have two arrows in line. So this is a line. So in the sixth question, so it's having one end point and one arrow. It means it extends in one direction and one end point is there. So it is a ray. It is a ray. So in the way, first we decide how many endpoints are given. If one initial point is there and one arrow is there, that is a ray. If two arrows were given, so then that is a line. If two endpoints are there, then that is a line segment. In the same way, some more three questions were given. So in that, first you check either it is a ray or line segment. Okay. So write that three questions according to the definition of a line segment and ray. So that three you do as your home assignment. Okay, students. Yes, now the students see here in activity first. So write the names of the following shapes. Here some triangles are given. So the triangle names we should write. Triangle names we should write according to the angle. So here in the first triangle, all the three angles are acute angles. Acute, acute and acute. It means acute triangle. Acute triangle. It is acute triangle. Okay. The next one here. So here we have this angle is obtuse angle. So this is greater than 90 here. So the remaining two angles are less than 90. If one of the angle in a triangle is greater than 90 degrees, then that is obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle. So here these two sides are perpendicular. So this side and this side. Angle here is 90 degrees. So this is right triangle. So right triangle means right angle triangle. Right angle triangle or right triangle. So now here in the fourth one, so these two sides are perpendicular. how to say the sides are perpendicular? If two sides are in L shape or T shape, then we can say that they are perpendicular. So this is also right triangle or right angle triangle. So in the fifth question, in the fifth figure, all these angles are less than 90 degrees. If all the three angles are less than 90 degrees, then acute triangle. Acute triangle. Here, so one of the angle here is more than 90 degrees. If one of the angle is more than 90 degrees, then obtuse triangle. Obtuse. In the next one, all the three angles are less than 90 degrees. If all the three angles are less than 90 degrees, then acute triangle. Acute triangle. The next eighth one. Here one of the angle is more than 90 degrees. If one of the angle is more than 90 degrees, then that is obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle. So now, here in the ninth, so here the angle is, these two sides are perpendicular in L shape. So that means it is a right triangle. Right triangle or right angle triangle. Now, here one of the angle is more than 90 degrees, then that is obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle. Now here the angle is 90 degrees. These two sides are perpendicular. So these two are in L shape, perpendicular. It is right triangle. Then all the angles are less than 90 degrees here. If all the angles are less than 90 degrees, then acute triangle. Acute okay. So this is about the different types of triangles given based on the angles. If all the three angles are less than 90, then that is acute. If one of the angle in the three angles more than 90 degrees, then that is obtuse angle. If one of the angle is 90 degrees, then that is right angle. Okay. So now the next concept in geometry, so that is a circle. That is a circle. See here. So this is a circle. Circle means a circle is a shape. A circle is also a shape. So with all points the same distance from its center. So this is the center. So this is the center. So whatever the points on the circle are there, so they are same distance from the center. Means if you take, so from the center to the point on the circle, so this is one line. If you draw one more line, so from center to the point on the circle, so if you take one more line from center to point on a circle, if you draw one more line from center to point on a circle, so then how all these points on a circle are equidistant from its center. So suppose here to here, if you have 3 centimeters, so this is also 3 centimeters, this is also 3 centimeters, all are 3 centimeters, means they are equidistant. So the points, what is a circle? Circle is a shape. Circle is a shape. How the shape is? Same distance from its center to the points on a circle. Point on a circle. The distance from center of a circle to point on a circle are equidistant. They are equidistant. They are in equidistance. Here, the distance across the circle through. So first of all, before that, see here. So this is equidistance from center to the point on a circle. So center to point on a circle, center to point on a circle, center to point on a circle. So all this means all these straight lines means line segments length same everywhere. Okay. Now the circle. So suppose this is a center. If we represent the center as A, then how can we name a circle? A circle is named by its center. A circle is named by its center. Here, so what is the name of the center? That is A. So how can we represent? How can we read this circle? Circle A. So how can we read circle A? Why? So we name the circle so according to the center name. Here the center name is A, so we can say circle A. Circle A. If center name is some P, then circle P. If center name is R, then circle R. Okay. Then after that, here some terms we are going to learn. So in a circle. So what are the terms? The first one, diameter. So we are going to discuss about diameter. So what is a diameter? So the diameter is a distance across a circle through the center across a circle. Suppose, so the diameter, what is the diameter? So this is a diameter. This is a diameter. Diameter is a line, is a distance. Diameter is a distance across a circle through its center. So this line, this is across a circle through its center. The line should passes through the center. The line should passes through the center. So that is why it is a distance. The diameter is a distance across a circle, so through its center. So the line segment should pass through the center of the circle, and so it also touches 2 points. 2 points. So the 2 points, how the 2 points are? The 2 points should be on a circle. Okay. So 2 points, 2 end points are on a circle, and one of the point is a center of a circle. So if you draw like that, so that line segment is called diameter of that particular circle. Okay. So that is what here he is saying. The distance, it is a distance, diameter is a distance of a circle through its center, So one more diameter we can draw. So this is one more diameter we can draw, and one more diameter we can draw, and one more diameter we can draw. How many diameters we can draw? So we can draw infinite diameters. How many? Infinite diameters we can draw in a circle. So this is about diameter. So how many diameters there in a circle? So infinite, uncountable. Okay. Now after that, radius. What is the radius? Suppose if you draw a circle again, so this is center A, then what is a radius? So radius is a distance from center to the point on a circle, So radius is a distance from center of the circle to point on a circle. So this is also a radius. So radius is a distance from center of a circle to point on a circle. So this is also a radius. So this is also radius. So this is also radius. This is also radius. This is also radius. How many radius we can draw? We can draw infinite radius. Okay. Here diameter and radius. So what is the diameter? Diameter is also a distance. So how the distance? How the line segment? That line segment should passes through the center of a circle, and also it passes through the 2 points on a circle. Okay. The 2 points in a circle and the center should be on a same line. So then we form a diameter. Okay. So what is the radius? Radius is also a distance from center of a circle to point on a circle. Okay. Then how many radius we can draw in a circle? We can draw infinite radius of a circles. Infinite radius in a circle. And how many diameters we can draw in a circle? So infinite diameters we can draw in a circle. So this is about the concept of a circle definition and point, how to represent a circle, how to name a circle, and what is the diameter of a circle, and what is radius of a circle, then how many diameters we can draw in a circle, then how many radius we can draw in a circle. So one more thing, if you extend this radius, here to here is a radius, so here to here again a radius. So if 2 radius makes a diameter, it means half of the diameter is a radius, or double the radius is a diameter. Okay, this concept you should remember. If you make a double, so radius double, so then you will get diameter. If make half of a diameter, then you will get radius. Okay. So the next, so in this circle, so now we are going to discuss about chord of a circle. So what is the chord of a circle? So if we join any 2 points on a curved line, so means on a circle, so then we form a chord. So this is a chord of a circle. So any 2 points we can join. So any 2 points on a circle. Suppose this is one point on a circle, this is another point on a circle. If we join 2 points on a circle, then so we form a circle. Otherwise, so if you join 2 points of a curve, then you form a chord of a circle. So then, so this is suppose AB. So then we can say that this is AB is a chord of a circle. So then another. So this is another chord. If you say this is CD, CD is a second chord of a circle. If I draw like this is also one of the chord of a circle. Whatever. EF is also a chord of a circle. So if you take like this is also a chord of a circle. GH. That's your wish. Here any 2 points we can join. So any 2 points on a circle. So this is G is one point on a circle, another point H. If you join any 2 points on a circle, so then you form a chord. So then if you draw like this, infinite chords we can draw. So this is also one of a chord. So this is diameter. So diameter is always passing through the center of the circle. So this is a diameter as well as a chord. So chord and diameter. So both we can say. But in a circle, if sometimes he'll ask, so the longest chord in a circle is diameter. The longest chord in a circle is diameter. So if you observe, so this is smaller in length. So diameter is bigger than the AD chord, and diameter, this is the diameter is bigger in CD, bigger than CD. So if you compare all the chords, then the diameter is the longest chord in a circle. Okay. So which one is the longest chord in a circle? Diameter is the longest chord in a circle. Okay. Now, so what is a chord? If we join any 2 points on a circle, then we form a chord. Okay. So this is about chord. So about 3 points we discuss here. So about first, what is the circle and what is the center, then how can we represent a circle, and what is the diameter, and how many diameters we can draw in a circle, and what is the radius, how many radius we can draw in a circle, and what is the chord of a circle. Then so which one is the longest chord in a circle, then how many chords we can draw in a circle. So infinite chords we can draw in a circle. So all these concepts we discuss. Okay. So now the students, next concept, plane. So what is a plane? So here, so a plane is a flat surface. A plane is a flat surface. How the plane is? Plane means a flat surface. So how it is? That extends without end in all direction. In all direction. It ends without ends means it extends down, up, left and right. It can extends in all the 4 sides. Okay. So actually what is a plane? A plane means plane is a flat surface. Plane is a flat surface and it extends without end in all direction. Means it will extend in up and down, left and right. So in all the directions it can, so without end it can extend. Okay. So this is about a plane. So plane means a flat surface area. Example for plane means the table surface. The table surface is a flat surface. So that is a plane. So and also, so what is a plane? Earth surface. Earth surface is also a plane surface. So this is what is a plane means? A plane is a flat surface. A plane is a flat surface. Here in the next picture, so here plane and one circle is given. Circle divides a plane into 3 categories. In which categories? Here the first category, second category and third category. In the first one, plane, so on a plane one circle is there, on a plane one circle is there, on a plane one circle is there. If you suppose if you take 3 points A, B, C, how the 3 points are? The 3 points are inside the circle. So the points are inside the circle. Okay, here E, D, E, F, how these 3 points are? These 3 points are outside the circle, outside the circle. So then how these 3 points? So G, H and I. So these 3 points are on the circle. So it means the circle divides the plane into 3 various categories. That is, one is the points maybe belongs to in a circle and maybe on a circle, maybe outside the circle. Okay, okay students.